Imagine this, just 5 companies are planning to spend over $650 billion on artificial intelligence infrastructure this year alone. Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Meta, and Oracle have collectively guided for roughly $650 to $690 billion in capital expenditures in 2026. The vast majority going straight into AI data centers, chips, and power. This isn't hype anymore. This is the biggest corporate spending spree we've seen in decades, and it's still accelerating. If you're watching the stock market right now, this changes everything. Today I'm breaking down exactly what's happening, who wins, who loses, and how smart investors are positioning for the second half of 2026. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sam Price, the Crypto Lifer, and if you're new here, we talk real finance, real opportunities, and how to actually build wealth in this crazy market. Right now, the market is watching 2 big things: Fed Chair Kevin Warsh's comments on inflation and this relentless AI build-out. While geopolitics and interest rates create noise, the AI infrastructure story is the real undercurrent driving long-term moves. Let's get into it. So where does $650 billion come from? After the latest earnings, the big hyperscalers raised their 2026 CAPEX guide by $130 billion. Analysts now expect the group to spend well over $650 billion this year, nearly doubling from 2025 levels in many cases. Amazon alone is guiding towards $200 billion. Microsoft in the $180 to $190 billion range. Google and Meta are also massively ramping up. Why? Simple. Demand for AI compute is exploding. Training and running the next generation of models requires insane amounts of GPUs, networking gear, cooling systems, and more importantly, power. Data center construction as a share of non-residential building is at record levels. This isn't just a 2025 story. JP Morgan and multiple analysts say the AI investment cycle is expected to continue strongly through the rest of 2026 and beyond. Now here's where it gets interesting for investors. The hyperscalers themselves are spending the money, but the real profit opportunities are in the companies supplying them. Semiconductor leaders like Nvidia are still the obvious king, but don't sleep on AMD, Broadcom, and TSMC. Power and energy infrastructure. AI data centers are electricity hogs. Utilities, nuclear plays, and companies providing behind-the-meter power solutions are seeing the multi-year backlogs. Networking, cooling, and data center builders, everything from fiber optics to advanced cooling tech. This is why we're seeing continued strength in certain pockets of tech and industrials, even when the broader market gets choppy. The money is literally flowing into these 5 companies, into the entire AI ecosystem. This isn't all sunshine. There are risks. Valuations in some AI names are still elevated. If returns on all this spending don't materialize fast enough, or if we hit energy constraints, there could be pullbacks. We've already seen volatility in the semiconductor stocks when expectations get overblown and, the price has to come down. Plus, Fed laser focused on inflation and sticky energy prices from geopolitical issues. Higher for long-term rates could pressure growth stocks at times. The key is separating the real infrastructure build from pure hype. The companies actually building the picks and the shovels of the AI gold rush have much stronger fundamental tailwinds than pure AI application plays right now. So what should you do? This is a multi-year theme. The smart investors are focusing on high-quality companies with real revenue tied to this spending, strong balance sheets, and reasonable or discounted valuations after any pullbacks. Dollar cost averaging into the leaders and staying patient has historically worked well during these secular build-outs. But here's the thing, the real edge comes from ongoing analysis, special watch lists, and position sizing, ideas and real-time updates as earning and guidance comes out. And that's why I created my Discord. It's a place where you can come and get the information that I'm researching on a day-to-day basis. If I get in, I'm mainly the Crypto Lifer, but I'm looking at all the different sectors, and if I get into a stock or something, I'm gonna let you know about it. I'm gonna do constant research. I'm gonna have Q&As each week so you can find out more about what's happening in each sector. We can even bounce ideas off each other to see what's going on. The Discord's amazing, and I'd love you to jump on in. I'm there every single day, 7 days a week. It's awesome. It's the best way to stay ahead of the massive trends. And now, before you go, drop a comment below. Are you bullish on the AI CAPEX story, or do you think it's getting overdone? What other topics do you want me to cover? If this video gave you value, smash the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell so you're never missing another opportunity. Remember, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research and consider your risk tolerance. Markets can be volatile. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one, and hopefully I'll see you inside the Discord at cryptolifer.com.